just after talking about them, here they are. The snow geese. I'm sure there's probably some other geese mixed in there as well. But yeah, there's tons of fields like this at BDA, and they are here by the thousands and thousands. This is just a small patch, man. I mean, you could be here all day and see just flock after flock of these guys come in, just moving all around the southwest. So let's get some shots of these guys. Number 3, the snow goose. She was sitting right in the trees over there. I'll get some better video for you guys so you can actually see her. She's just sitting there, like on the ground, just eating while she's laying down bedded. I don't blame them. It is really, really cold and windy today, so might not get to see the bucks that I wanted to see, but still, another native of the refuge. We're back at the pond area, or a flooded field I should say, and there's a lot of waterfowl down here, so I'm gonna go and take some snaps. A lot of these guys look like pintail, shovelers, all stuff that we need to get a photo of, so I'm gonna run down there real quick, get some photos and videos. Well, that didn't take long. As soon as we got to the flooded fields, guys, the birds were just everywhere, everywhere. I was looking at buffleheads that were just out there diving, and I think there was a scalp species that was out there too. And then everywhere around me, birds were just coming out. There was like a killdeer that was running around in front of us, and I'm sure you guys are gonna see. There was meadowlarks, blackbirds. There's a sandpiper right out here. There's just a ton of different birds out right now, which is awesome. It's a great day for bird photography. The deer are pretty well hunkered down, I'm guessing. I haven't really seen much. I haven't seen any javelina, no cats, nothing, no coyotes. So I think everything's pretty well set at the moment on staying in the brush line, but the birds are definitely out and about, which is awesome for us. So we're getting plenty of new species photographed today, and I'll be sure to share that with you guys. We're gonna keep going around this loop. I got one battery left. I should have brought more. I only brought 2, but I've burned through my first one already shooting in 4K. So about one more left, and we'll see how much we can get done with that. Well, that was a lot of fun. I didn't even see that guy there, believe it or not. I was coming around the bend and there was just a traffic pile up right in the middle of the road, and anytime you see that here, you know that there's something out there that people are photographing. And I look into the bush and there was that beautiful buck right there just eating out of the bushes. Looked like he was the only one by himself, but we still got some cool shots and video for you guys to see. But yeah, I was just thinking too, I was like, man, I'm probably gonna leave here without even photographing a single buck, but looks like not. Looks like we got blessed. So let's keep on moving down and see what else we can see. That guy moved off farther into the tree line, so he's way out of reach now, but that was cool. Well, conditions have definitely regressed and gotten a lot more windy since this morning, and you can tell a lot of the animals and even the birds now are really hunkering down in the timber and in the bushes and stuff. So as much as I hate to say it, I think that's probably gonna be it for today. The wind is just making it really, really hard for these animals to stay out on the water, to like stay in the treetops, and it's making it hard for me to photograph too, because the dust off these roads that they just graded is shooting up everywhere whenever you drive over it. So not too good for your lens there. But I mean, all in all, still an absolutely amazing day. I came around this loop one more time and was able to see 2 more bucks coming out of the tree line. Got a couple quick photos of them as they darted off, but they were on a mission, man, to get way out of the open. So hope you guys enjoyed it today. I'll keep a little excerpt at the end of this video to get a tally on all the bird species that we officially photographed. So thanks again.